my finances for myself well. That I get to structure it in a way where I would reap rewards in the future. So, I started with the bank account first, then time deposit ako, then I got into yung mutual funds with insurance, then I went into another mutual fund with insurance, then I eventually went into stocks, then bonds. Why is that? Because as a financial planner, this is my take on it. There is no one investment that will save you. It's one thing. Huwag niyo iasa lahat sa stocks. Okay? A stock is a good avenue for you to earn money. But again, don't put all your eggs in one basket. What I'm going to show you is how I personally trade and how I deal with my portfolio. First part of this is I'm going to show you how I structure my own money, and next is how I buy in and out of a particular scenario in the stock market. So okay ba tayo? Okay ba? Ako naman, kung may drawing sila, may drawing din ako, may speculation ako, parang I'm a mix of everything. I don't subscribe na I'm gonna be a full technical person. I'm not also a full fundamental person. So anyways, I am rich. 1, 2, 3.
I am rich.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
I am rich.
Parang di kayo convinced. Ayaw niyo ba yumaman?